In the freezing city of Harbin, China, massive blocks of ice are slowly being transformed into a breathtaking winter wonderland. This is the construction of the Harbin Ice and Snow World, one of the largest and most spectacular ice festivals on Earth, attracting millions of visitors every year. These are not ordinary blocks of ice. Each one is carefully cut from the frozen Songhua River, when temperatures drop below -20 degrees Celsius. Using heavy machinery and the strength of hundreds of workers, the ice, weighing several tons, is lifted, carved, and stacked into magnificent structures, castles, towers, bridges, and replicas of famous landmarks from around the world. What makes this even more incredible is that everything you see will exist only for one season. When spring arrives, these grand creations will melt and return to nature. A giant work of art, beautiful, but temporary. Behind this icy beauty lies teamwork, precision, and the remarkable endurance of the people who brave extreme conditions to bring it all to life. Every block of ice tells a story. Every light that shines is a celebration of winter. Harbin Ice and Snow World is more than just a tourist destination. It is proof that even in the coldest places, humanity can create warmth that unites the world.